Hi, welcome to Klaviyo. In this video, I will show you the different plans that Klaviyo offers. If you want to use Klaviyo for free, then click the link in the description below. So, let's start with the free plan. This is a great option for businesses just starting out or with a small email list of up to 250 contacts. It allows you to send up to 5,000 emails per month, build basic email campaigns, segment your audience by basic criteria, and track basic email performance metrics. There are two main options for paid plans. First, we have email and SMS. This plan includes all the features of email only, plus the ability to send SMS and MMS messages. Prices start at $20 per month for 251 to 500 contacts. Next, we have only an email plan. This plan is ideal if you only focus on email marketing. Prices start at $20 per month for 251 to 500 contacts. If you exceed your contact or email send limit in a month, you'll be charged extra fees. SMS and MMS messages cost a different number of credits based on the location of the recipient. Remember, the best plan for you depends on the size of your email list, your email sending needs, and whether you require SMS marketing. Thanks for watching our video.